In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Zoom meeting directly in Outlook. This is a really helpful skill if you're someone who juggles a lot of meetings and prefers to handle everything from your Outlook calendar. By integrating Zoom with Outlook, you'll be able to set up, manage, and send out meeting invites with Zoom links, all from one place. First, you'll need to make sure that you have the Zoom plugin or the Zoom add-in installed in your Outlook application. This add-in is essential, as it connects your Zoom account to Outlook and makes scheduling seamless. If you're not sure whether you have it, you can always check in the Outlook ribbon at the top. Look for a button that says, Add a Zoom Meeting, or Zoom. If you don't see it, you can easily download and install the Zoom for Outlook add-in from the Microsoft AppSource website. It's a quick process, and once installed, you may need to sign into your Zoom account to link everything up. Now, with the add-in installed and active, you're ready to schedule your meeting. Start by opening Outlook and going to your calendar. Click on New Meeting to create a new event. Fill in the meeting details just like you would for any other Outlook invite. Enter the title of the meeting, add the email addresses for everyone you want to invite, and choose the date and start time that works best for your group. You can also fill in the agenda or any additional notes in the description field. Here's where the Zoom magic happens. You'll see the Add a Zoom Meeting button in the event toolbar. Click this button, and Outlook will automatically generate a Zoom meeting link, complete with a meeting ID and password, and insert it into the body of your invitation. This saves you from having to open Zoom separately. If you want to change Zoom meeting settings, like enabling a waiting room, allowing participants to join before the host, or requiring a passcode, you can click on the meeting options within the Zoom add-in and adjust them to suit your needs. Once you've reviewed all the meeting information and Zoom settings, go ahead and click Send. Your invitees will receive an Outlook invite containing all the details, including the Zoom meeting link. When it's time for your meeting, they'll simply click the link from their calendar invite and join through Zoom. And there you have it. By using the Zoom add-in for Outlook, you can quickly and efficiently schedule Zoom meetings right from your calendar, keeping all your work in one place. This integration really streamlines the process, helping you save time and stay organized with your virtual meetings. Give it a try, and you'll see how much easier it makes your day-to-day scheduling. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!